DisputeFox Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to products mentioned are added to the description below so you can review pricing and official details. DisputeFox is a professional credit repair software platform designed for credit repair businesses and consultants who want to automate client management, dispute workflows, and reporting in one centralized system. It is not a consumer DIY credit repair tool, but rather a full business suite built to streamline operations at scale. The core features include one-click credit report import, automated dispute letter generation, client management CRM, workflow automation, billing tools, and a branded client portal. Users can import credit reports from multiple monitoring services, analyze negative items, and generate dispute actions directly from the report interface, significantly reducing manual work. Another major feature is its automation system, which allows users to build workflows for onboarding clients, sending emails and SMS updates, scheduling tasks, and managing follow-ups without constant manual input. The platform also includes reporting tools, affiliate tracking, and integration with payment processors, making it a complete business infrastructure for credit repair companies. DisputeFox is made for credit repair professionals, small agencies, and entrepreneurs who are scaling a credit repair business and need efficiency, automation, and client organization in one system. It is not designed for individuals looking to repair their own credit, but for those managing multiple clients simultaneously. In terms of strengths, DisputeFox stands out for its high level of automation, reducing time spent on repetitive tasks like letter creation, data entry, and client communication. It also offers strong client management features, branded portals, and workflow customization, which help businesses appear more professional and organized. However, there are some weaknesses. The platform has a learning curve due to its large number of features, and new users may feel overwhelmed at first. Pricing can also be relatively high compared to simpler tools, especially for beginners or small operators. Additionally, since it is business-focused software, it may be more than what a single user or small operation actually needs. Overall, DisputeFox is best suited for serious credit repair professionals who want to scale operations, automate workflows, and manage clients efficiently, but it may be excessive for individuals or those just starting out in credit repair.